Hi, this is a four-problem preview to subtracting binomials and monomials. Let's look at the first example. Number 1, we have negative 4x squared minus 16 minus 4x squared. So what we want to do to subtract these is first remove the parentheses, and then we want to group by like term. Okay, so we just need to remove the parentheses here. So negative 4x squared minus 16 minus 4x squared. Then we group them by like term. We have 2x squared, so I'm going to group those two together. All right, and then we are just going to combine these like terms. So we have negative 4x squared minus 4x squared. That is negative 8x squared. And then bring down the minus 16. All right, the next one. 7b squared minus 12b squared plus 8c. So we're going to go ahead and we'll just start by writing the first monomial, the 7b squared. Now we have to distribute this subtraction to each term in the binomial. So we need to put it in front of this and in front of this 8c. So we have 7b squared minus 12b squared, and then we have a minus 8c. Another way to look at it is you could think of it as having a 1 in front of that, and you're distributing a negative 1. So you would have negative 1 times 12, which is negative 12, and then negative 1 times 8, which is negative 8. All right, so continuing on with this, we're going to combine our like terms. 7b squared minus 12b squared is negative 5b squared minus 8c. Okay, let's look at a couple more. C to the fourth minus 6c to the fourth minus 14w. So again, we just need to make sure to distribute that subtraction to both terms in the binomial. So c to the fourth minus 6c to the fourth. Here we have minus a negative. Okay, or we can think of it as those are going to cancel one another out, and we can just make it plus because we have a minus negative there. So it's going to be plus 14w. Okay, they're already grouped by like term. So c to the fourth minus 6c to the fourth. Remember that there's really that imaginary 1 there. So we can think of it as 1 minus 6, which is negative 5c to the fourth plus 14w. Okay, that one is simplified. Now let's move on to number 4. This one is one where we're subtracting two binomials. Okay, the same steps are applied here. We first need to remove the parentheses, so 9x to the third plus 4d. Okay, so now we just need to make sure that we transfer that. You could write it like this, minus negative 15x cubed, and then minus 6d, and then this would then become plus. So if that helps you with seeing that, you could also do that. I'm just going to keep it simple and avoid extra parentheses by just knowing, we know that when there's the two negative, the minus a negative, it becomes plus. So I'm just going to leave it like that, and then minus 6d. Okay, we can go ahead now and group by like term. So we have negative 9x cubed plus 15x cubed plus 4d minus 6d. Negative 9 plus 15 is 6, so 6x cubed minus 2d. Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.